Hey everyone, Michael here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about e-commerce strategies and techniques and overall business advice. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. So today, it's going to be a little shorter video, but I want to get this information to you as soon as possible because a lot of people on Facebook is stressing out and frustrated because Facebook has removed this feature. But they didn't really remove it. It's just moved to another section where I want to show you how to find that. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right, and we are back. So on my screen right now, you should see my personal profile on Facebook. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to pull up a random store's fan page. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So let's go ahead and pick Gear Bunch for this example. All right, so let's click on this link to go to their fan page. And before, there's actually this link down here that says info and ads. But as you can see, it has been removed. And people are freaking out because what that is you can actually see the type of ads Gearbunch is currently running. But don't worry, that's why you're on this video. So all this information under info and ads got moved into one central location, and that is ad library. You can go to www.facebook.com/ads/library to get to this page. And all you have to do is search for that fan page. All right, so let's go ahead, Gearbunch, select that. And on this page, we can actually see all the ads that they are currently running. So active ads and when they started running these ads, all right? And this gives you a good idea of what kind of product is converting, because if they've been running that ad for a while, you kind of know that it's effective ad, right? And you can get an idea of the product and the ad copy they are using, and also filter by country. So don't worry about info and ad being removed. It's just moved to this section. So go ahead and do your research. I hope you like this video. It's a shorter video. I have a lot of content coming your way in the coming weeks. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. So give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.